guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I just thought I would show to you what orchids I have in bloom this month, even though they are not all reblooms. For me, some of them I just purchased them like they are. This one in front of you, it is my Vanda Pachara Delight, and this indeed it is a rebloom. I have, I think, 7 blooms, and they look gorgeous. I really love this color. It's an amazing one, very floriferous and easy to grow. And here somewhere I have a second spike. Hope you can see that. But he is waiting for this one to finish, and just then it seems that it wants to grow as well. So she will be in bloom for most of the summer, I think. This is my Vanda Nature Mandarin or something of the sorts. I didn't yet wrote the tag, and she is really amazing. This one I did purchase it as it is, and some of the blooms are starting to fade, but that is okay. It is a very nice one. Really love its color. I will try to show to you a bit better. And here I have a keiki, which is also in bloom. And on the other side I have another keiki, which I'm sure it will bloom as well once this one dry up. I really like how these two look next to the other. I think the colors are very contrasting. Really nice. And here I have my Phalaenopsis little kolibri. I have recently purchased it, and it looks quite nice. She is a multiflora type of Phalaenopsis, meaning she is producing multiple spikes, and they really love to branch out. And next to it we have again a Phalaenopsis multiflora, and I don't have an ID for this one. If you have any, if you do know her by her ID, please leave it in the comment section below. But I really had a nice surprise with this one. This is kind of reddish in color, and now that the sun shines exactly on it, she is a bit fragrant, and it's quite a nice fragrance. It's citrusy. That is quite a rare sight on Phalaenopsis hybrids. I'm really happy. And here we have my Zygopetalum. This is again a recent purchase, and it smells super fragrant now that she has a lot of sunshine. I really like this fragrance. It reminds me of Hyacinthus. Really nice. The fragrance is a bit nicer than the other one, the Rosy Bloom. I think this is called something with Angel, and I will put you the name on the description of this video. I didn't yet wrote the tags for them. She has a few blooms, and she has here 2 more spikes, so that is quite nice. Here in the left I have a freesia plant, and I have many spikes coming. This one is super fragrant. I adore freesias. I really adore that fragrance. Here I have a no ID Cattleya, and if you have her ID, please leave me a comment. This one has huge blooms. She is not even opened completely, because if she would be absolutely humongous. Look at that. I hope that next time she will be able to open her blooms better. But anyway, she has a very striking magenta color, and her fragrance is amazing. It reminds me of lilies, and it smells exactly like that, and very powerful. Quite like that feature. And I have removed her pod because it was broken and she was quite unstable, and then now I have staked the blooms because they were facing downwards. They are very heavy because they are very big, and I just put her into a semi-hydro pot with her medium. I will make sure she will not stand in water, and yeah. Next to it I have another Cattleya orchid, a no ID, recent purchase. Well, I kind of know it's cross. It is Laelia briegeri crossed with Cattleya aclandiae. I have seen Dani doing a video about this one about 4 years ago, I think, and she called it Cattleya lemon pie. She is super fragrant, and but she has a mild fragrance actually, a citrusy and floral one. And yeah, she is very pretty. This is the first blooming of this Cattleya, and she already produced 4 ones, so that is quite nice. Again, these two were recent purchases. Here I have a rebloom. This is my Phalaenopsis brilliantina. She is staying in bloom for quite a lot of time, and I really like that. And in here I have an ID Phalaenopsis rebloom. If you know her ID, please let me know. She's a mini phal and she is branching out like crazy. Look at that. Not sure how good you're seeing, but she does have a lot of buds to come, and I'm really curious the spectacle she will do next year. In here I have my Oncidium species. It was the Oncidium crassus. Now he is fading, but that is okay. And here I have my Phalaenopsis little lady D6. This one is continuing to push up buds from the tip of the spike again and again, and also from the branch. Is a mini phal, and I really love her color. There are many hybrids that look similar on the market and have different names, but I'm happy with the one I have. So alright guys, this is pretty much all the orchids that are in bloom in my collection right now, even though they are not reblooms, as I said, and yeah, they make me super happy. They are gorgeous plants with beautiful fragrances. So alright guys, if you know they are these, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye!